It is Priyanka here, and we are going to start our new exercise number 1.2. Two questions I have given you as your homework. I hope you all have done all the questions of those two questions. Today I am going to explain one by one all the questions, not all the questions but few questions of each section of the exercise. Okay, so first of all, question number A is there. You can see in your book also. Write the place value and the face value of the digit in red. Okay, so one digit is there and one number is there which is written in red color. Okay, so we have to tell the place value and face value of that digit. Okay, first of all, I want to remind you that what is place value and what is face value, which we have discussed in our last video also. Okay, so first of all, place value. Place value means value of the digit in given number. Means किसी डिजिट का किसी नंबर में क्या वैल्यू है, उसका क्या वैल्यू, डिजिट का क्या वैल्यू है उसके पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, फेस वैल्यू. फेस वैल्यू मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ द डिजिट इन इटसेल्फ, मतलब उस डिजिट का खुद में क्या वैल्यू है. प्लेस वैल्यू उस नंबर में डिजिट का वैल्यू बताता है और फेस वैल्यू उस डिजिट का खुद में क्या वैल्यू है वो बताता है. ओके, so we will solve this question. First of all, we will write in place value chart. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so we will arrange this number. As you can see, I have written on the number 783600342. So this 6 which is written in red, 6 is coming under the lakh period. Okay, 6 is coming under the lakh period. So the place value of 6 will be 6 lakhs. Okay, the place value of the 6 will be 6 lakh because 6 is at the lakhs place. Okay, so place, we are looking for the place, so it is showing the place value. For place value, we will see the place where it is written. It is written under the lakhs periods. That's why the place value of the 6 will be 6 lakhs in this number. Okay, and face value will not change. Whether it will be here, 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 or here. It will not change. It will remain 6 only. So the place value of 6 is 6 lakhs and the face value is 6. Another question for you. Question number 2. 38493201 means 38 crore 49 lakh 32,101. Okay, we will arrange this in the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so we have to find out the place value and face value of this red colored number digit, which is 4. So 4 is coming under the 10 lakh period. Okay, so the place value will be 40 lakh, 40 lakhs. Okay, and the face value will be 4 only because it will not change. But the place of the 4 is under the 10 lakh period, so it will be 40 lakhs. Okay, so like this you can do the other questions of this segment. Next is question number B. Write the following numbers in a place value chart, read them and write in their number names. It is very easy. Okay, first of all you will write the question 362412250. Okay, so we have to arrange this number in place value chart. So for arranging this number in place value chart, we have to make the place value chart. Okay, so like this we will make the place value chart. In place value chart there are 4 periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay, so 4 periods are there. One's period is divided into three parts. Ones, tens, 100. 1000 period is divided into two parts. 1000, 10,000. Lakhs period is divided into two parts. Lakh and 10 lakh. Crores period is divided into two parts. Crore and 10 crores. Okay. So we will arrange the number from here. 3, 6, 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 5, 0. So now we will find out what is the number. What is the number name of this number? So 36 crore 24 lakhs 12,250. Okay, so we will write it like this: 36 crore 24 lakh 12,250. This the rules related to the writing of number names we have discussed already. So we will take care of those rules and we will write it here. Okay. So this is one question from this segment. Other questions you will do in your notebook also. This question also you will do, and other question also you will do. Okay. So next segment, write the numbers for the following number names. Here we were writing the numbers were given and we have to write the number names. In question number C, we will write the number with the help of the number names. So the first question is 8 crore 32 lakh 19,305. So first of all, to write this number, we will make the place value chart. Again, we will make the place value chart. Ones period, 1000 period, lakhs period, crores period. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. So then we will arrange 80 crore, 80 crore. Okay. 32 lakh, 32 lakh. Okay. 19,000. So we will write 19 at the place of 1000 place. Okay. Then 305. 305. Here no number is given for tens, so we will write 0 here. Okay. So the number will be 80 crore. 80 crore. After that, comma. 32 lakh. After that, comma. 19,000. After that, comma. 305. Okay. For every period, after writing every period, we will put comma here. Okay. Like ones, tens, 100 is coming under one period. One's period. Okay. So we will write these three digits together. Okay. After that, we will put comma. After that, thousands period is coming. So we will write both the digits of thousands period together and we will write comma. Then we will write lakhs and the numbers of digits of lakhs period and we will put comma. Then we will write crores period, number of digits of crores periods. Then we will put comma. So after every period, we will put comma. Okay. There are three columns for one's period, and in rest of the periods only two columns will be there. We are talking here about Indian number system. In international number system, it is different, quite different from this. Okay, but now we are discussing about Indian number system, so we will follow that only. Okay, so this is all about question number C. Next is question number D. Fill in the missing numbers to continue the pattern. Here we have to make the pattern. We have to follow the pattern. The question number 1 is 67 lakh 21,057. Next number is 67 lakh 22,058. Here two changes we can see. Here 21 is there. 67 and 67 are common in both the numbers. Okay. After that, here it is 21, here it is 22. So here it is increasing by 1. And after that 057 and here it is 058. So next number will be 67 because it is not changing. So we will write it as it is 67. After that 21, 22, then here will be 23. After that 0 is not changing. 57, 58, then here will be 59. Okay. In the next number 67 is common, so we will write it 67. 7, 21, 22, 23, then it will be 24. Here 59, after 59 60 will come, so here we are writing 60. Next number is 67 lakh 25,000 because it is here 24, so we are increasing 1, so it will be 25,061 because it is here 60. So we will write the successor of 60, so it will be 61. Okay, so the pattern is completed. Next question is 3 crore 40 lakh 51,278. Okay, next number is 3 crore 41 lakh 51,278. Here 3 is not changing, 51 is not changing, and 278 is not changing. Only 40 after, here it is 40 and here it is 41 lakh. Here it is 40 lakh and here it is 41 lakh. So we will change this digit only. Okay. So the next number will be 3 crore 42,051 lakh 278. 3 crore 43 lakh 51,278. 3 crore 44 lakh 51,278. Very simple it is. Okay. Next question is, write the following numbers in the expanded form. In each case, write the place value of 3. Okay. So here question number 1 I am solving for you. 3,85,696. Okay. So 3 lakh. First of all, we will start from here. First digit we will take 3. So we are writing 3. After that, we will count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, plus, the sign of plus is here, and the next digit we will write 8. So we are writing 8 here. After that, we will count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write zeros, number of zeros as it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Plus next digit 5. 5, 1, 2, 3. Plus 6, 1, 2. Plus 9, 1. Plus 6. No zero will be there. So 3,80,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 6. Okay. Now we will find the place value of 3. It is shown here. What is the place value of 3 here? It is very simple to know. After writing expanded form, we can find out the place value of any number easily. So here it is written 3 lakhs. Okay. So the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. Okay. So like this you will solve the other questions of this segment. Next is, write the following in the standard form. Okay. Here it is given in this expanded form. We have to write the number in standard form. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 plus 1. Okay. So we will start writing from here. 65 lakh 43,211. Okay. 65 lakh, comma 43,000, comma 211. Like this we will solve the rest of the questions. Here we have completed exercise number 1.2. I have explained some of the questions for your example so that you can solve the question by your own. Rest of the question you will solve by your own self in your notebook. Till then, thank you. for watching this video. Thank you.